Dear students, this is question number 2 from May-June 2013 S2 paper 7-1. Question number 2 goes this way. The times taken by the students to complete a task are normally distributed with a standard deviation of 2.4 minutes. That's what it is, 2.4 minutes standard deviation. Now, a lecturer claims that the mean time is 17 minutes. That's what I have written it here. The times taken by a random sample of 5 students, which is sample size of 5 students, were 17.8, 22.4, 16.3, 23.1 and 11.4 minutes. That's what I have indicated here, right? Now, to carry out a hypothesis test at 5% significance level to determine whether the lecturer's claim should be accepted. And this question is carrying 5 marks here, right? Now, since I have already written here all the given parameters, now from the given parameters, I calculated the mean, which is this one. This one is nothing but my 18.2 here, right? 18.2 minutes once you calculate x here, right? Now, the hypothesis test needs to be carried out at 5% significance level. Now, we can formulate the null and alternative hypothesis. A null region is H0 or HO, which is the population mean. We take the lecturer's claim at mu, which is 17 minutes. An alternative hypothesis, which is this, which is H1, which is population mean, we can prove that no, it is not equal to 17, right? And again, this will be my two-tail test. Why I say two-tail test? Because of the not equal to here, right? Not equal to here. Not equal to means it can be greater than 17 and less than 17, right? And this my mean here, mu, which is the lecturer's claim at mu is equal to 17 here, which is exactly comes on the middle here, right? And this is my null region here, right? This is my null region at 95% width, right? Or rather, my null region is 95% or 5% significance level. In other words, the alternative region would be what? 2.5% on the this side and the lower 2.5% on this side, right? Now, it means that what? If you start my journey right from here, right? If you come from here all the way up and stand here at 2.5%, if you start from 0 and 2.5% here, this line is my critical line, which is standing at 97.5. Getting my point here. So once you see this from the normal distribution table, which comes out this critical line I have written it here is 1.96 here, as you can see here, 1.96 here, or I can say 1.96, right? Now what we can do here, we formulate normal distribution n, which is this is my mu and this is my sigma square, right? This is my normal distribution, which is mu is 17 and sigma is 2.4 squared, which is my variance. And C score is given as x minus mu upon sigma upon square root of n here. This is the formula. Now, submit all the value here in the Z score of 18.2 minus 17 upon 2.4 divided by square root of 5, which comes out to be 1.12. Now you compare the calculated value Z score of 1.2, this is my calculated value, with the critical line of 1.96 here, which is clearly 1.12 is less than 1.96, and hence it is falling in the null region, right? It is less than, which is somewhere it is falling here, right? 1.96 line is here, and my calculated value is coming as 1.12, which is obviously on this side, right? So it is falling in the null region, and hence null is true. What is the conclusion made? Claim that the mean time is 17 minutes can be accepted, and this is my answer, right? Now I can take the second approach or second method to prove the same thing here. This is my alternative method here, second method of solving the same sum. Now, as we have seen, this confidence interval at 95% is what? X bar plus or minus 1.96 into sigma upon square root of n, which is the formula is what? General formula is X bar plus or minus, this is my z critical line, which is sigma upon square root of n, right? Now this z critical line value is 1.96, as you have seen this, right? Now because I'm submitting the z here, which is critical line of 1.96, now as I submit X bar, which is the lecturer's claim of 17 minutes here, plus or minus 1.96 into sigma value is 2.4, which is given to me, and n is what? 5 here, which is square root of 5. Now when you once you calculate the plus or minus, with the minus value you are getting 14.9, and with a positive value you are getting 19.1, right? Once you have the two values, one with the plus value and one with the minus value. Plus value is this and minus value is this, right? Now the calculated mean, the mean sample of as you have calculated in my first half is what? 18.2, and which is falling in that 14.9 and 19.1. In other words, this my 18.2 value is in between 14.9 and 19.1, and hence it's falling in the region, falling in the null region, and hence the claim of the mean population is 17. It can be accepted, and hence this is my answer. Okay friends, hope you like my video. If you truly like my video, please go ahead and give the positive feedback with a thumbs up, so that you are encouraging me to record more and more videos. Thank you. Bye.